to everything that we're not using this season, at least for spring training. And we're taking everything from spring training over back to this one other place, so we have everything on here. We're just gonna chill and ride on our way back. First day is done. First day is complete, and it was dope. It was so much fun. These people are an absolute blast. I gotta tell you. Yeah, I'm just talking about Tana. Tana is an absolute blast. Ain't that right, Tana?
Oh my God, no, you got me, no! No!
Explode! We're gonna kill it this season. We are going to kill it this season. We're gonna kill it. Thank you guys for checking out the Cadets vlogs. See you soon. Hey guys, how you doing?
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're here with Avery and Brandon.
What's up, guys?
How you doing?
What day is it today?
It's Thursday.
Day 2.
It was chicken patty day.
The best day.
Arguably the best day.
Arguably.
We learned half of the opener today.
You guys doing drill? Mm-hmm. Dude, we gotta have a day where I hand off the camera to you guys.
Yeah. Saturday.
Saturday?
Or Saturday's Catter Day.
We'll make it a date. Saturday. I'll hand the camera off to Norma.
Oh, Brandon, just you wait.
We only have like half the music.
But Pitt?
Yeah, Pitt only has half the music, and that's what we're learning on right now.
Are we full ensembling tonight?
Doing opening and since mine.
We can do that. That's the half we got. Welcome back to the Cadets vlogs. Hey, I forgot what I was gonna say. How we doing today, guys?
Doing great.
Ah, it's day 2. It's only day 2.
Yeah,
Right.
we're learning music.
I'm pale still.
You're still pale?
Upsetting.
I tried tanning a little bit today.
How'd it go?
I burnt. All right, well, we got our morning block done. We have the rest of the day. We have an ensemble tonight. A recording.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
opener.
We have a recording
Not gonna
tonight.
open.
Awesome. Ah, yeah. Let's not talk about my hair.
We're gonna talk about it.
Let's not talk about
We're
it.
gonna talk about it.
Oh, thanks, man.
I'm gonna put my sunglasses back on because I forgot my real glasses at my board. Wow.
So yeah, spring training is going pretty good.
He's right.
Right, guys? If you ask me, it feels like a prolonged camp so far,
That's exactly what spring
but
training is.
less stressful. We get more free time than camps, but when you add it all up, it's a lot more time than just a camp.
My glasses are foggy. I can't see.
You might want to stop fogging your glasses then.
I'm trying to cool down my coffee. I can't drink my coffee if it's not.
I need to get some coffee, dude.
You.
How you doing, James?
It's you.
I'm doing pretty good, you know.
Chosen.
Like we're learning demonic thesis, and I'm a little like frustrated.
I feel
but
that.
I think that's just because I needed those chicken patties, and I also needed some coffee. That was the morning block, so you know. And plus, we were like just playing quarter notes like for the entire like technique blocks. So you know, I'll get there. We're good.
That's good, man. I'm gonna have to get some coffee too. What's
great.
up, Eric? Guess whose birthday it is?
I like
It's
that.
Eric's birthday
You do that
today.
again. I like that face.
Eric's
Can
turtle.
you make sure every action shot you have, that's what you look like?
All right, guys, you ready to go back out there?
No. Yes.
Kill it. Yeah, let's kill it. Yeah.
So, we got to pack 2-ish hours before we move. Let's get down to work.
So before we end tonight, Caitlin surprised us with a meeting that we have at 11. We're early, so it's really just, I don't know, us right now. I asked Sal if he knew anything about it, and all he said was that I maybe bring my camera and feel it out, because good things might happen. I don't know if he knows something. I don't know if there's something new gonna happen. I don't know if it's just for music. Hold on a second, there's Yamaha boxes here.
New snares.
Oh, really?
They gotta be 6,
Hold on a second.
8.
There's a lot of boxes. Do you think that maybe
They cut the pit, we're all on battery now.
Eric would be fine? We all wouldn't. Would you be okay on battery?
I was okay at symbols.
I love how we're not marching cymbals.
Yo, if they're gonna cut the whole pit, I mean,
They gotta put us somewhere.
they gotta put us somewhere. Oh, hey! Little baby front
What's up, Trevor?
Everyone that
How you doing, brother?
It's Laurel, okay? It's literally Laurel.
Colin? How you doing, brother?
Their visual ensemble.
Trying to find a
Jesse!
I'm
Caitlin! I knew there was something. I knew there was something going on.
time to time.
Before we begin, have a cookie.
What? That might mean something bad's coming.
Alright, question number 1.
How are move-ins going for everybody?
Fantastic! Dude, I love band.
I didn't answer, I was eating my cookie.
I asked that just because I know right now it probably still feels just like camp mode. Like, a lot of you are probably wondering, like, when is it gonna feel like drum corps? That time is coming. Right now, like, we have to get the show learned as much as possible before we can really start breaking things down. Don't be discouraged if you feel like, oh, I'm just like crapping on myself right now because like this music is hard and I don't have enough. Talk about ensemble etiquette. Right now, we're all doing it pretty. Whenever the pit is addressed, we raise our hands and look up to the box. Please be mindful of how much rest you get every night. The reps not doing a whole lot of talking and goofing around, but don't let that get too out of hand. When we move, we take pretty much everything that's on our board. We take in rehearsal. We will always have tarps on our boards full.
Yeah, smells like cookies.
All right, I'm not gonna keep y'all forever. Somebody take the cookies, or I don't want them. I'm trying to get that tour blood.
Yo, how was today, guys?
It's pretty good. Got a lot done.
Pretty decent. Eric, how was your birthday, man?
Great. Couldn't have spent it in any better way.
That's good, brother.
Yeah.
That's good, man. Yeah, we learned a lot of our drum feature today, demonic thesis, really quickly, and it's very difficult, but it's gonna kick so much butt. It is so cool. Our licks, man. Those licks we got.
I don't have my samples yet, so I just looked at memes all day.
I like licks. Licking is fun.
Licking is very fun.
Oh.
I gotta say, like, there's a fine, like, mix.
Chill, it's a prank.
There's a fine mix of, like, whenever members are worked, we kind of chill. So there's a, like, fine mix of, yeah, we're doing a bunch of stuff too, but we also get some chill time. But then there's, like, other parts of the section that are, like, always chill time. You know, like timpani.
I'm always chill time.
But what I really like is,
He
like,
said.
how involved your part is like.
Dude, Omar is an awesome writer.
Omar is a fantastic writer.
Super props to Omar.
Omar, I hope you see this because you are absolutely incredible with your writing.
Except you make my hand hurt.
Yo, honestly, same. That's a lot of octaves, and I have really tiny hands.
Do you want to trade hands?
Dude, TBH, I do.
She just said TBH.
Don't call
Yo,
me
laugh
out.
harder.
Stop.
Hey, Sal! Sal!
Sal!
What's up, man? Hey, how was your day, dude? It was good? Yeah, it was good. How was your day? It was great, my dude.
Hey, Sal, buddy! Hey, buddy! Hey! Hey, buddy, I love you! Oh!
Sal, Tim, and Josh live right next to our room, so whenever I want to, I just annoy him by yelling at him. It's fantastic.
He seemed to not be annoyed because he said he loved me too, so.
Okay, I don't think he's annoyed. I think everyone likes being called.
Like, everyone just vibes well this year. Like there's no beef whatsoever in this pit, and it's amazing.
Yeah, so here's to another good day, day 2, really fun. And tomorrow we're probably gonna just keep hitting some beats, spring training life, am I right? See you in the morning.
No,
See you guys.
We're gonna get drum
Okay, it looks really good, just so you know.
As long as y'all saying, hey, what's up? This is Zach here with the Cadets Front Ensemble Video Series.
Guys, seriously.
Look, guys, Colin.
Colin.
Hey, God.